Okay, so now let us solve right triangles using the 6 trigonometric ratios. But first, let us have a review of this right triangle ABC. So, opposite natin, look at the angle theta. Angle theta natin is the angle B. Opposite ng angle B is the side AC. So, side AC is the opposite side. And then, yung katabi ng ating angle B, which is itong side CD or BC, is the adjacent side. And yung hypotenuse natin, syempre, yun yung longest side ng right triangle. So, first, let us find the value of sine theta is equals to opposite all over hypotenuse. So, ayan po yung formula niyan, di ba? So, opposite daw natin is 3. So, we have 3 all over hypotenuse natin is 5. So, the value of sine theta is equals to 3 over 5. Sorry, ito palang theta, pwede nyo nang palitan ng B kasi meron na siyang nakalagay na name or angle B. So, next is the cosine B is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. So, adjacent natin is 4. So, write natin 4. All over hypotenuse natin is 5. So, the value of cosine B is 4 over 5. So, next is the tan B is equals to opposite that is opposite all over adjacent. And then, opposite natin is 3. So, we have 3 all over. Adjacent natin is 4. So, the value of tan B is 3 over 4. And then, yung natitira naman na cosecant B, secant B, and cot B, cotangent B are the reciprocals. So, yung cosecant, yung value nito is the reciprocal of sine. Kung ito ay 3 over 5, ito ay magiging 5 over 3. And sa secant B naman is the reciprocal of cosine. Kung yung cosine natin is 4 over 5, ito naman is 5 over 4. Okay po, kahit hindi mo na isolve, baliktarin mo na lang. So sa cotangent B, reciprocal niya is tangent. So kung ito ay 3 over 4, babalik ta rin, magiging 4 over 3. Okay po. So, ganyan po hanap ng values ng trigonometric ratios sa right triangle. And now, let us now solve right triangles using the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so ito na. We have an example number 1. We have right triangle NAC. So, now let us identify the sides. Okay po. Okay, so hypotenuse natin ito, longest side ng right triangle. And then, yung opposite natin, yung katapat ng theta natin, itong side AC. And yung ating adjacent side, yung katabi, which is side CN. So, ito yung adjacent side. Okay po. So, now, what are the given? Given is angle C is 90 degrees. Kasi ito po, ang tawag dyan right angle. And yung right angle, exact 90 degrees. So, next, hypotenuse. So, side C is equals to 15. So, 15 daw. And next is the side adjacent or side A is 8. So, ito po yung hypotenuse. And ito naman yung adjacent po. So, what are the missing? Ano yung nawawala? So, ang maximum na nawawala sa isang right triangle po ay tatlo. So, we have angle A missing, and then angle N missing din, and then yung side N or yung opposite side nawawala. So, now let us solve for angle N. So, solve for angle N. So, now, angle N, ang given natin dito is adjacent and hypotenuse. So, ano bang ratio yung merong adjacent and hypotenuse? So, that is cosine theta is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. So, cosine, yung theta, pwede na nating palitan na n. Okay po, pwede na nating palitan na n. Is equals to, adjacent natin is 8 all over, yung hypotenuse natin is 15. So, divide nyo yan. So, 8 over 15, that is, pag nilagay sa calculator, 0.53. Pagkakatanda ko, 0.53. So, dito na kayo gagamit ng use scientific calculator. Okay po. Gagamit na kayo ng scientific calculator. So, I have here scientific calculator. So, first, you need to press shift. Kasi pag angle yung hinahanap, press shift. And pipindutin nyo yung cos. And then, lalagay nyo yung ito, 0.53. So, 0.53. So, ano yung lumabas? We have 57.99. So, ang ating angle N, so yung angle N po natin, yung lumabas sa ating scientific calculator, is 57.99. So, ito na po yung value ng ating angle N. Okay po, next. So, nahanap na natin si angle N. So, check tayo dyan. Next, hanapin naman natin si angle A. Since given na yung angle N and yung angle C, and isa na lang yung nawawala, and alam natin ng isang triangle, ang sum niya na degrees angle is 180. So, now, solve for angle A. So, angle A, ilagay natin 180 degrees kasi ang sum ng isang triangle is 180 degrees. Minus yung ating angle C plus angle N. So, now, substitute. So, 180 degrees minus angle C natin is 90 degrees. So, we have 90 degrees plus angle N natin is 57.99 degrees. So, now, subtract 180 degrees minus 90 plus 57.99, that is 147.99. And then, pag sinubtract nyo yan, gamit yung scientific calculator, that is 32.01. So, ang ating angle A ay 32.01. Okay, now, pag-add nga natin lahat ng nasolve nating angle. Kapag nag-sum sa 180, so tama. So, yung ating angle C is 90. 90 plus yung angle N natin is 57.99 plus yung ating angle A, which is 32.01. Okay, so nag 180 siya, means tama yung ating na-solve na mga angles. Okay po. So, check na tayo dito sa ating angle A. Now, kulang na lang si angle side N, or which is the opposite. So, now, let us solve for N, side N. So, dito, pipili kayo ng ratio kung opposite and hypotenuse ba or opposite and adjacent. So, yung opposite over hypotenuse is sine, opposite and adjacent is tan. So, now, gamitin na lang natin si sine. So, sine theta is equals to opposite all over hypotenuse. So, sine is equals to, theta natin is n, is equals to, opposite natin is n, all over hypotenuse natin is 15. And alam natin na yung ating angle n is 57.99. So, we have 57.99 is equals to n, copy the n, yun yung hinahanap, and 15. Now, let us apply the cross multiply. So, we have n is equals to 15 sine 57.99. So, ito, pag nandito na kayo, use scientific calculator. So, dito kapag side, hindi na kayo pipindutin ng shift. So, now let us put it to the calculator. We have 15 sine and then 57.99. Hindi natin lalabas. So, 12.71. So, we have N is 12.71 or N is equals to 12.72. So, ito na po yung ating side N. So, check na tayo sa side N. Okay po. So, ganyan lang po mag-solve ng right triangle using the 6 trigonometric ratios. Kailangan nyo ng calculator dyan. Okay po. So, tingin nyo lang komplikado pero yung way ng pagsusolve, madali lang. Yan. So, titingin lang kayo sa ating right triangle kung ano yung nawawala. Hanapin nyo kung anong ratio yon sa 6 trigo, sine, cosine, tangent. So, ayun lang po for today's video. Thank you for watching.